We're getting ready to do our cable tensions. There's a temperature conversion chart. Make sure you check that chart and you do the proper cable tension. Check. So we check each cable, verify they are correct. And we're right there. Okay, good. All right. So now inspect where your post comes up, and you're going to want to do this on both sides and look across the top. That'll show you if you have any corrosion in the upper spar. Time to move on to the aft bulkhead. Now we're going to examine the two rear bulkheads. These are structurally critical because it holds all this together. Okay, now if you remember right, on the AD list, not on this series, but on a similar series, there is an AD to check this bulkhead every 100 hours. That's how critical this is. Then you want to check the radius of that bulkhead. You have to verify there's no cracks. So take your mirror and flashlight and get to inspecting. Look at each and every rivet and verify there's no cracks. You also can see that those bolts are nice and tight because there's no sweating. Your two upper bolts are here and here. They hold on your vertical fin. And then we'll check inside of the stabilator itself to see the nuts are there and we have thread protrusion. They're in good shape. Now in this area, you also need to check your cables. Make sure they're nice and smooth, they're not twisted. They go back to your pulleys. Make sure the pulleys get lubed and that they are checked. Okay, then we come back to your rear bulkhead. Again, mirror and flashlight. You're checking the bolts that there's thread protrusion and that they are tight. And they are indeed in and tight. You want to check your elevator bearings. To do that, you grab the elevator right here and you walk it up and down. These are nice and tight. There's no sloppage. Same thing with the rudder. Nice and tight. There's no wear there. Now you can go up top. You can see we've got the beacon out because we had a bad bulb. We have that apart. You pull that cap and you look down in there. Cap comes off and you inspect. You make sure your ground's good, make sure all your wires look good, and you don't have any corrosion. This is in very good shape. That's our tail inspection. Remember, this is just a portion of the inspection. If you want to see the entire inspection, go to ifmytoolscoulddtalk.com.